and welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to help you learn how to fix TikTok camera lagging issue. Before jumping right into our video, if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The primary reason which causes camera lagging on TikTok might be because of cache that are stored in the phone memory. It can cause the lagging of TikTok videos and crashing and hanging problems. In order to fix the issue, the first thing to do is go and force stop TikTok application. Go to your settings on your phone and scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Search for TikTok from the list of the apps that are installed on your device. Tap on TikTok application as soon as you find it and tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner. From the pop-up, tap on OK and TikTok has now been forced stop. After you do that, go to your TikTok and see if that fixes your issue. Another thing you can try out is go to TikTok and sign into your account. Now, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner and from your TikTok profile, go to the three dots at the upper right corner. Once you do that, scroll all the way down and under Cache and Cellular Data, tap on Free Up Space. Clear both of the options there by tapping on Clear and select Clear from the pop-up one more time and repeat the process in the download option as well. Now, go back and see if that fixes your issue. Whenever you're creating a new TikTok video, make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Sometimes you might face this kind of an issue if you don't have a smooth internet connection. If nothing fixes the issue, you can simply go and check if your TikTok is updated to its latest version. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for TikTok. Once you find the application, make sure to update your application by tapping on Update button. If you don't see the Update button in this page, then that means your TikTok is up to date. If not, you'll be able to see an update button popping out. Now, after you do that, go back to your TikTok application and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the simplest solutions for problems like TikTok camera lagging. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.